We have done so far four kinds of adjectives. And now we go on to the fifth type of adjective, that is demonstrative adjectives. When you say demonstrative, means pointing out. Okay? The demonstrative adjective points out which persons or things that are meant. Demonstrative means pointing out. So we are going to the fifth kind of adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjectives point out, point out, point out which persons, demonstrative adjectives point out which persons or things are men or things are meant. Demonstrative means pointing out. Demonstrative means pointing out. So I have some examples for you. Demonstrative adjective, point out which person or thing that we are intending, we are talking about. What's the meaning of demonstrative? Pointing out. So just remember, pointing out. Let's point out, okay? The first example I have for you is, this house is mine. This house is mine. That book is yours. That book is yours. Those apples are sweet. Those apples are sweet. These girls are playing. These girls are playing. This purse is hers. This purse is hers. I hate such men. She lives on yonder hill. She lives on yonder. On yonder hill. That horse is yours. That horse is yours. I want those shoes. Now, look at the sentences that I have done for you. We are talking about adjective. Adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun, and we said there are together 6 kinds of adjectives, and we have done adjective of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number. We have done distributive adjective. Now we are doing demonstrative adjective. What's the meaning of demonstrative? Pointing out. Demonstrative adjectives point out which persons, things are meant. We are talking about. Let's look at the sentences to understand, to point out and find out which is the demonstrative adjective. This house is mine. So we are pointing out to this house. This one, not that one. This house is mine. That book is yours. Those apples are sweet. Those. These girls are playing. This purse is hers. This. I hate such men. I hate such men. She lives on yonder hill. She lives on yonder hill. That horse is yours. I want those shoes. Now, the word this, the words we are talking about, this, that, those, these, then this, such, yonder, then that, those. These words tell us, these words help us to point out the particular person or thing that are meant. So, adjectives, demonstrative adjective point out which persons or things are meant. The examples that we have here, are, this house is mine. We are pointing out to this house. We are pointing out to that book is yours. We are pointing out to those apples. We are pointing out to these girls. We are pointing out to this purse. We are pointing out to such men. We are pointing out to that hill yonder hill. We are pointing out to that horse, and I am pointing out to those shoes. I want those shoes. The word this, that, those, these, such, yonder, all these words tell us they are demonstrative pronoun adjectives. How do we detect a demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective point out persons or things. Point out. Say this book, this house, that book, these apples, these girls, yonder hill, such men. So, this house is mine. That book is yours. Those apples are sweet. These girls are playing. This purse is hers. I hate such men. That horse is yours. I want those shoes. So, we have done 5 different kinds of demonstrative, different kinds of adjectives, and we have done demonstrative adjective. How do we find out? It points out, demonstrative adjective always points out a person or thing. So easy to identify.